This is a 16.8 volt socket wrench, ratchet wrench, fast charger, variable speed controls, forward, reverse, and switching, automatic locking, has an LED light. Once we get the battery in, so there's your charge right here. 2 batteries are included, chargers included, multiple heads included, extension arm included, and the case itself seemed to line up and lay inside. Each one's marked with their sizes, so 15, 10, 13, 14, 12, 11, and then we can add the 14s and the 17 here when we're done using it. A nice little carry case, practical to have with all of the tools added in the garage.